Yo, yo, hey. Yo, 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 I need to know. This is what I have to be, gonna be. You wish I say, I know that we should go in parts, that we cannot be mechanic, and we know that. I thought I heard these and I don't really know, cause why the even? She told me that right, she just bad, or I'm right, she just a bad. And we know how the I can't believe her telling me I'm not a machine, and she always with that. I got away from the top, I got away from my mind. You got to get talking, you got away from my life. This girl told me that I'm not a mechanic. This girl told me that I'm not a furnace. This girl told me that I'm not a light bulb. This girl told me that I'm not a light switch. This girl makes me hurt his feelings. This girl makes me act full up in this girl, This girl told me that I'm not a light switch. I want to be a laptop. Why hiss? This girl told me that I'm not a light switch. I want to get a laptop. I want to get a laptop. You made me hurt on this king. You made me run up on a motherfucker. That night, that time, that fine, that lies. You ask a set of questions, asking people if you are a light switch. Yo, you gotta know how the f supposed to know. I know that we are content. I just have my only 1,000 abilities. It is better to be one of those things, more complex affation. She told me that I'm not a light switch. She told me that I gotta. She told me that I gotta. Until I pray and safe from you. I wonder what I'm supposed to do. You can research if I'm a light switch. You never was supposed to furnace. And then she told me I'm not a furnace. Yeah, it's better with me. It is coming from me. And you told me that I'm not a mechanic. And you go, it's a problem for me. You ask protection for me. And so much tension for me. And I don't waste a bitch now. However, why the say we don't have wires in our bodies? This is my own time. Why the always hate praying? Delos, I'm already on the tires. I got my own time, my fire. I get mad and I don't know one thing. Why you would never sway? You would be telling me I don't have electricity in my body, so I don't even give a damn. I'm not gonna. You said it's how we find me. You got a crazy up around me. You said it feel around me. It's on, baby. It's on, baby. Now she told me that I do not have electricity flowing through my body. Why do you understand that you and I talk about this under me?